sophomore train. And 3-point.
Roger, 3-point protection is provided.
Alright, work train. Okay, down to the signal. They are going to hold us for the outbound.
No, we got an issue with the access, so we're trying to figure it out. It's not allowing us to go west.
Rough roll.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Can you smell the smoke?
Yeah.
The boss needs work extra, over.
Yeah, I'm having a small issue with the 1117. Could you just give the help desk a shout that I'm going to call him and try calling him on the radio?
Yeah, Roger, I'll let him know.